Hey guys, Todd Ault here, improving your mind and taking no prisoners. And yes, I am a Wall Street veteran if you didn't know that. Today I want to focus on improvement, specifically improving your strategy. I think it's safe to say that most of us put too much focus on getting the day-to-day job done, that we don't spend enough time improving our strategy. Why? Because improvement takes willpower. Improvement takes courage. And most of all, improvement takes time. Bob Parsons, founder of GoDaddy, said, anything that's measured and watched improves. The tough part in that statement, in my mind, is the measured part. Measuring success can be a complicated undertaking. But if you're looking to improve your business and dominate the competition, it's critical. Here's 3 ways you can measure your company's success before looking for ways to improve it. Number 1, ask your staff to rate their own job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is always a key motivator. If your company's strategy is really working, your employees will be winning. And winning always equals happy employees. Number 2, measurement by the objectives you've completed. This is probably the most common way to measure your company's strategy. Objectives should be set periodically and then reviewed at the end of the target period. Progress is then measured and new goals are set. Number 3 is team performance. Measuring the performance of the teams as well as the individuals within it. This will help determine whether or not they work well together. If they don't, a reorganization may be what you need to boost productivity. If you can find ways to improve these 3 key areas, it'll go a long way to get a clear picture of where you're really headed and how your company can improve. I've given you gold. Now run with it.